Hello guys, today I will show you how to make strawberry jam with big fruit chunks in it. It is really simple to make and you will need only 3 ingredients to cook it. Oh, and this is a special episode because this was requested by my parents. They run a farm where they mostly grow strawberries. I am not really an expert on making jam, but they asked me to film the procedure and make a video about it. So here I would like to thank them for the opportunity. If you like my videos, subscribe and click on the bell or visit my Patreon site for extra content. So, after gathering the strawberries, you have to wash them thoroughly, and after doing so, strain all the water off it. I also cut the bigger ones to 4 pieces and the medium-sized into 2 pieces. Then, just mix them all with sugar and lemon in a huge pot. You can't really taste it if it's enough, so you have to go with it by experience. But don't worry too much, it is quite hard to make a jam too sweet. Now, cook your strawberries over minimal temperature for about half an hour or until it is barely boiling. Now, take the strawberries off the heat for about 10 minutes. Recook it in smaller portions over high heat while stirring them rapidly. Reduce the jam until it shines like a sugar glaze. Put the jam into the jar you want to store it in. If you try to cook them in the big pan, then lots of foam will build up and it is also easier to burn it, at least according to my parents. When the jar is almost full, I use 2 layers of cellophane paper to seal it, which is some sort of cellulose paper. I used also some sodium benzonate as a preservative. You can skip this last part if you are sure that your jam will be eaten in about half a year. You should let the jam cool down as slowly as possible. Cover it with blankets and pillows and let it rest for 2 or 3 days. I hope you have the chance to try out real homemade strawberry jam. There is nothing like it. I usually use the jam for cakes and desserts, but if I don't have time, my favorite way of eating jam is on top of a well-buttered slice of braided bread. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.